Today we're going to be showing you how to download and install the VLC Media Player. To begin, open up Google Chrome and type in VLC in the search bar. Ensure that the website you are clicking on is videolan.org/VLC. Open the site, then click on the big orange Download VLC button. After clicking on the download button, you will notice the file will begin to download in the lower left corner of your browser. Once the file has finished downloading, click the arrow to the right and choose Show in Folder. You will be taken to the Downloads folder. Locate your file, then double-click on it to begin the installation. Now just follow the on-screen prompts to continue the installation. When the VLC installation is finished, you will notice the VLC icon on your desktop. Click on the Finish button and your VLC Media Player will now open. You can follow Gold Star Computers on Facebook and Twitter. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel.